we are starting a topic that is citizenship. Part of this topic we have discussed time to time while discussing about the constitution, features of constitution, that Indian constitution is offering us a single citizenship. That means I'm not saying that say I'm from Maharashtra, so I have to get citizenship of Maharashtra and I have to get citizenship of India. It is not. It is only Indian citizenship which we can travel, we can say that we can move across India. No separate citizenship for state and no separate citizenship for nation that is required, only single citizenship that is there. Now, three categories person can get entitled to citizenship. Person domiciled in India, refugees who migrated to India from Pakistan, Indians living in other countries. Now, here we are going to discuss certain Citizenship Act. That Citizenship Act of 1955. Now, according to this, how citizenship can be gained? Number one, citizenship by birth. So, obvious thing, a person born in India on or after January 1950 is treated as citizen of India by birth. So why 1950, why not 1947? The thing is that our new constitution, whatever our constitution committee that is produced, that is accepted in 1950, and therefore born after 26 January, that is 1950, that is considered as automatic citizenship of India. Citizenship by descent. A person who was residing outside India on or after January 26 January 1950 is treated as a citizen of India by descent if his father was citizen of India at the time of his birth. So those who are having Indian origin, that means they were Indians, but later on they are staying outside India, but their children also are eligible to become citizen of India.